What's up guys? In this tutorial I will show you how to hard reset an iPad. There are two kinds of resets people usually mean. One is factory reset, which completely wipes the iPad and returns it to its default settings. The other is a hard reset, which simply forces the iPad to restart without deleting anything. Useful if your device is frozen or unresponsive. To do a full factory reset, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down on the left side and tap on General. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. On the next screen, tap Erase all content and settings. This will bring your iPad back to its original factory state. If you're planning to give the device away or start fresh, this is the option you can go with. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now, if you want to force a restart, here's what to do. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally press and hold the power button. Keep holding it down even after the screen goes black. And don't release it until you see the Apple logo appear. Once the logo shows up, let go and your iPad will restart. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.